Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Say you remember me, living in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Say you remember me, living in a nice dress, staring at the sunset.
So I've been missing street shopping since forever because I live in Dubai and it's very difficult to find street shopping out there. There's all brands and everything out there. So I enjoy brand shopping as well, but I've always been a street shopper right from my college days to today itself. I am so excited about the street shopping because you get a bargain and you get some sort of satisfaction after this. So yeah, I am going to take you all with me. So this is the place where you actually need to park your vehicle to start shopping because the line starts from here and I'm enjoying. So this is the cafe where I'll be actually starting my shopping because the line starts from here. So this is the very first shop where I shopped for a neck piece and I got a very good deal on it by bargaining obviously. Then you have all watch straps and all mobile covers lying out here. It goes on till the whole Kolaba, and these people make like personalized pendants and keychains. Do try it out here. I have many lying at my place. And this is a perfect denim shop where you get shorts, denims, or your jackets and everything. I bought two from here, so I'll be showing it in the haul. Next to it is the shop of vintage home articles which you can keep it at your place. These are made of rock, the vintage telephone, aeroplane and everything. You can just decorate your home with this. If you walk by the street, you will find these people having these tank tops and tea bags and everything, all for just below 100 rupees. And it is a steal deal, you know, guys. It is next to Miniso, so you can do try and check it out. So I found these very cute evil eye bracelets and I was in love with them. I bought one of this, but you will have to check which one in my haul video, which will be coming right after this video. So yeah, have a look at these beautiful items out here. Everything of evil eye you can just find at Kolaba at such a cheaper rate than your normal stores on Instagram or Amazon. You name it and Kolaba has it. It is totally a one-stop for everything. Be it your vintage jewelry, be it your fashion jewelry or ethnic ones, they have it all. Like it just you have to take out some time, bargain with these people and they give you like a very good deal. And more you buy, more deal you get. So please visit Kolaba. If you are planning to come here, get a proper chutta paisa out here because they don't give you change. So that is one of the tips which I would just suggest or give you all. So there's a lot of walking out here, so be prepped up with your water bottles and food or something which you can munch on. Second tip, and the third tip is please carry your shopping totes because you will eventually dump everything inside because they don't give you any polythene bag or plastic bags. And also to avoid pollution, why you need to use these bags, you can just simply dump your clothes in your bag. So please carry a huge shopping tote so it is good for you and the environment. So if you're someone basic who loves wearing basic clothes, you can find everything out here. Like you can get plain tees or tea bags or crop tops, and you can just overlay them with anything and you are sorted. So you can definitely check these out also. Also they have some fancy tops and shirts going on. You can also find plain shirts out here and printed as well. So yeah, you can check them out. So Kolaba is not just for only girls, but they also have like guy accessories. Like you can find these accessories like hanging out there for guys. So yeah, also the footwears out here are really super cheap, and you can just wear it like 5 6 times and you can throw it. Like you wouldn't even feel bad, you know. Like that is how the stuff is out here. It's very trendy. Plus you will not regret it buying. So yeah, you can always come Kolaba. Like I urge people to come Kolaba. Like I love Kolaba. Coming to bags, they have like all kind of bags, be it your crossbody or satchel bag or a tote bag. You can just come here and you can find all kind of bags. Like if you want it for your office wear or anything, you can just come here. Also, they have like pretty watches which you can buy for yourself or friends. And yeah, Colaba has it all, guys. Trending earrings to trending neck pieces, from trending caps, footwear, bags, clothing. Colaba has it all. You should at least visit once out here and you will be like really happy bargaining and getting your stuff in cheaper prices. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, there will be a Colaba haul coming up right after this video. So stay tuned and also share my video. Lots of love. Thank you for watching.